Ready?
There's a new Yeeps update. Yeah, there's a new Yeeps update. I'm gonna be checking it out today. This supervillain update. Looks like it might be sick. Yeah, it's toothless. My hands are wonky. I'm wearing the headset. Hopefully gonna be peak. So stick around and we're gonna summarize literally the entire update. In case you missed the update. Release day, which is today. In case you didn't already know that. Shocking news!
Yeah.
Alright, now let's get into the video. Look, it's a vat of acid.
Tornado is sick though.
It's a vat of acid. Oh.
Tornado is one of my favorites.
Yeah, let me
It does
sneak
damage and destroys items. Watch. Look at this.
Yeet. What's this button do? Press the
I
button.
don't think it does anything.
Press the
Wait,
button.
let's get to the place where it has the rocket ship.
Oh, there's a
That's
rocket
cool.
ship. Yo, what? I didn't check out the lab. So I honestly don't know.
Yeah, I know you didn't. Somewhere. It's another big room like that. There's a rocket ship
What?
behind you.
Oh.
This is also the orbital strike cannon superpower.
Oh. I'm gonna get up
I
there.
just gotta throw in there that this is the orbital strike cannon superpower. You know? Oh, and this is multi-shot. I saw this. I don't have it yet. But this is multi-shot. It's super sick.
Bro, like from Minecraft? Barrier there, okay. Do not know the barriers existed. Oh, Buck
Hey,
Dash! Yes, bro, look. It's what Mac VR made. It's the museum.
I wept.
Hey. It's the museum of updates.
Wait, oh wait, Janet's calling me.
It's the museum of updates. I'm finding this orbital strike cannon. Alright, it's right here. Oh,
No, it's
oh,
right here.
okay. How do you fire?
Just you let go of the button.
How much damage does it do?
I don't know. We're gonna test that right now, Fish. Stand still.
Oh my
Killed you.
obliteration.
That's how much damage.
Okay.
It killed you.
A lot of damage. Oh my god.
Oh.
Yo,
These look.
they added barrels? Yo, that peak.
Like, look at this. Look at this, J9. Like, look at this. I didn't kill J9. It wasn't me. It wasn't me.
Everybody was kung fu fighting.
No, wait. I think this sign is like different than the others. It has
But
this
everybody
green
was
light.
kung fu fighting.
Can we go to like your
Yeah, well, actually, we should go to my private world now, guys.
This shit's about to get heavy. I just settled all my lawsuits. Fuck you, damn it! Now this looks like a time for me. So everybody, just follow me.
Here, I bought the chicken.
I did too.
I'm sorry, did you just
Look, grab it. Here, watch. Watch, Janet.
Y'all are
come
probably
here.
gonna call me
Grab it.
broke.
What does the wrist box do?
Yes. Okay, they added some really cool things on here.
Like what?
Mostly right here, these two. Token crate. Every time you hit that, you get tokens, and you can
that's
pick up the
sick.
tokens from the token. It's sick.
that's
I've seen
sick.
it. You can also use these things to make really cool looking orbs.
That is looking fire here. Let's see, let me
Like
find
orbital strikes or?
Not like orbs. Just
Whoopee cushion. What is this?
sphere of
Oh!
yeah, also just explodes.
Wait, that's a good trap.
It is, because it goes off pretty quick. Feathers! This is literally, I think, one of the coolest, silliest, and funnest updates ever.
Then no knockback.
Alright, that should be funny.
Just load the other part of the cannon and then press the button. but it's still so funny. They don't explode, but it's still so funny, bro.
Gonna see infinite chicken.
The one exploding chicken.
Oh my gosh. The evil exploding chicken is gonna be the name of this YouTube video.
I just want you all off. We just don't want any more chickens here. Okay, now I'm doing something. We need to stop! Peach, if you try and pick something up, it literally just gets deleted right now, Peach. Stop! Peach, we have too many items!
Peach, I'm just gonna pick them all up and get them all to explode. Guys, just pick up all the chickens.
No gloves. By the way, Peach, come here. I have to show you something. Yeah, mine. Yeah, J-Nights, to be honest, was still not as good as it is now. Well, our first design couldn't even firecracker. But now it's...
Can you threaten Fish to kick him?
Fish! I will eat all your cheese if you don't stop. Come away, Fish. Come away.
Nom nom nom.
Fish, I have your whole map here, Fish.
Guess what? You don't have my 3D printer. LOL.
Aw, yeah. By the way, there was someone who made a 3D printer before you, but it was not. Look how far I can throw this
I
chicken.
can show you the world.
Oh my. Alright, here. I'm gonna
It
make sure I'm
disappeared
standing
out
clear
of
of
my
everything in my
render,
living room. Here we go. 3, 2. Oh, that was terrible.